Once upon a time, there was a man who was a well-known criminal. One day, he decided to go and meet Buddha. He wanted to be initiated and wanted Buddha's help, but he was afraid that people might not allow him to enter at his place. So, he decided to go at such a time when there were not too many people. And instead of entering from the main gate, he jumped from the wall of the backside. By chance, Buddha was gone for begging at that time, and the man was caught by a Buddha's disciple. "I'm not here to steal anything," the man said. "I'm a well-known around here, hated and feared by the most. I was just afraid that you wouldn't allow me through the main gate. That's why I came from the back. You might not believe me, but I want to become a sannyasi. That's why I came here." So the disciple who caught him took him to the disciple named Sariputra. Sariputra was a great astrologer, and he had capacity to read people's past lives. Disciples asked Sariputra, "Please look into this man's past lives. In this life, he is a murderer, a sinner, but maybe he earned some fortune in his past life, and that's why now he wants to become a sannyasi." Sariputra looked into his past 1,000 lives, but he was always same. Even Sariputra started trembling and said, "He is so dangerous. For 1,000 lives, he has always been a sinner. It is impossible. Any change in this man is impossible. Even Buddha can't do anything." Saying this, Sariputra asked the disciples to take him out immediately. So the man was turned out. He felt hurt and thought that there is no chance for him to change. Alive, he couldn't be around Buddha. Thinking this, he wanted to commit suicide. So, just around the main gate corner, he started to hit his head against a stone wall to kill himself. Just then, Buddha was returning from begging. Seeing the man, he stopped him and took him inside. After few days, the man was initiated and became a disciple of the Buddha. Now, everybody was confused. Sariputra went to Buddha and asked, "This man has lived 1,000 lives of misery and has been a sinner. How can this man become initiated in just some days? If this man can be enlightened in some days, then what's the point of looking into people's past lives?" Buddha replied, "You looked into his past, but didn't look into his future. Any moment a person decides to change, he can change. The very decision is decisive. This man has lived 1,000 lives of miseries, but now he hankers to change his life, and his intensity to change is infinite. Hence, he was able to initiate in some days." It does not matter who you were, what you've been through, and how bad your past was. What matters is what are you now and what you are going to do now. So don't let your past interfere with your future. Stay happy.